Just like last time, the same all-magnesium, UNI body casing is still here, though the Surface logo has been replaced with Microsoft's new logo in chrome. Microsoft managed to up the device's screen size by a few hairs, from a straight 12 inches to this year's 12.3 inches, without affecting its footprint at all. In fact, the firm shaved more than half a millimeter off of its thickness, from 9.1 mm to 8.4 mm, all while fitting full-fat mobile processors. As for how this was done, the capacitive Windows button said goodbye, thus the extra room for that 0.3 of an inch in the display. Then, Microsoft brought the screen's Optical Stack, the series of sensors, diodes and pixels beneath the glass, even closer to the glass now, a key point of Microsoft's trademarked Pixel Sense screen technology. The display is thus incredibly responsive to touch, and the further sensitivity it brings to the stylus experience is huge. In tandem with the improved Surface Pen, the screen detects 1024 levels of pressure, even during a single stroke. Now, let's talk resolution. Even though it didn't have to, Microsoft increased the Surface Pro 4's resolution from 2160 by 1440, 216 pixels per inch, to 2736 by 1824. That makes for a huge 267 for the Surface Pro 4, which blows a key rival, the MacBook Air, 128 for the 13-inch. Out of the water and just barely beating out Apple's 12.9-inch iPad Pro at 264p. More importantly, the new screen proves to be way more luminous and more color accurate than the Surface Pro 3 display at all brightness levels. This is obviously going to be a pretty big deal for any designers or artists that are looking to upgrade from the Wacom tablet and calibrated monitor combo.